Welcome back to Tax Deed Wolf Academy. Joseph Griffin here, the Tax Deed Wolf. And today I'm going to be telling you the hard truth about tax deed investing. Before we do that, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. The hard truth about tax deed investing is it's hard. And if you don't have a mentor, you are absolutely going to lose some money. All right. It may not be on your first deal. For most of you, it will be. And I hate to be so frank about this, but 95% of you will lose money on your first deal if you do not have some guidance. The rest of you will definitely lose money on your second deal if you were part of the 5% that didn't lose money on the first deal. You're definitely going to lose money on the second deal. Now, how do we lose money? We buy bad investments. We don't understand proper processes. We don't know how to do due diligence. We don't know how to check for other liens on the property. There's so many ways that you're actually going to lose money. Now, another scenario is time is money. You get these properties and then you're paying attorneys to do quiet title processes, $2,000, $3,000, and I could have saved you $2,000, $3,000 and told you how to do that yourself, right? So there's so many things that letting what you do know stop you from learning what you don't know is another way you'll definitely lose money in this field. So this stuff is going to be a lot more difficult than we make it seem. I've just been doing this for years and we've done 100 transactions a year. So it's kind of easy for me at this point. But if you've never done one or if you've only done a handful, then it's not going to be that easy as we make it seem. There are a lot of struggles that you're going to have to go through that we went through. I don't want you to go through those struggles like we had to. Besides the fact that tax deed investing is pretty tough and you're probably going to lose money if you have absolutely no idea what you're doing, most of the properties are going to be bad properties, right? 85% of them at least are going to suck. So you need to know how to identify that good 15%. Despite the bad things though, tax deed investing actually can be very lucrative when you know what you're doing. So we have a lot of mentees and a lot of people on my team that have actually made $10,000, $15,000, $20,000, $40,000, even all the way up to $130,000 off of a tax deed flip. Now, you can get these properties for less than $3,000, and a lot of people don't know this, but you can actually work on your monthly passive income with these as well. We have strategies such as seller finance. Okay, I get something for $3,000, and then instead of selling it for the $30,000 or $40,000, I can actually sell it for around $60,000, which might even be higher than market value. But if I do a seller finance deal and I charge somebody such a low price for the monthly, they might even do it, okay? Or I can at least get closer to market value if I'm having trouble selling that property. So I get something for $3,000 and I charge somebody $5,000 down payment, but I also want $500 a month. With that $5,000 down payment, that's non-refundable. I can use that money to now go get another property and do the same thing with. And now I have this $500 a month coming from me every single month for however many years I put this thing under contract. Now, once I do the second one, I can get another $500 a month. Now we're at $1,000 a month coming in every single month that I don't have to put any overtime hours to go get, or I don't have to ask for a raise or increase in salary. This is just going to keep coming for me. You continue with this process, you're going to build your monthly passive income, and you never even bought an actual house. You don't even have tenants in there, but you're getting monthly passive income, kind of like a landlord, and the average landlord only makes $200 per door. Here you are with an empty land parcel that you got for less than $3,000, and you're getting $500 a month, more than the average American landlord. If this strategy stood out to you, then there's a lot more where that came from. If you want to talk about some other ways that you can actually increase your revenue and increase your passive monthly income, go ahead and click on that link below and book a call with my team. There's a lot of sauce that we have to give you, but you have to be serious. We don't want to waste our time. If you really want to do this, it can be done. So book the call and we'll see you at the top.